Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Mortal Kombat 11 on PC. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, you might be wondering how to exactly install and download Mortal Kombat here in your PC. Well, this one's pretty easy, but we first need to install a platform for it. So in this case, we'll be using Steam. So what you need to do is you want to open up any browser here, and you want to go and just search Steam on your browser. Now, by the way, you could also go to store.steampower.com directly on your browser here to access their website. Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is you want to go and click on Install Steam at the very top right here and click on Install Steam. Now, once the Steam setup file here or .exe actually is downloaded, you could go and just click on it and proceed on installing it into your PC. Now, once you've done that, you may want to also click on the sign in at the website here. Click on sign in. At the very bottom, click on create an account. And just provide all the necessary information here in order for you to create your account. Now, it's a lot easier to create your account via your browser here versus inside the game, inside the Steam app. So I'm asking you to do it inside your browser. But once you've done that, you're pretty much ready to go. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the Steam app in your PC and basically log in. Provide the necessary details. Now, this is what it's going to look like. Now, at the very top here, you should see the search the store option. Just go and just click on it. Just type in Mortal Kombat 11. Look for Mortal Kombat 11 here. Go and click on it. Once you've done that, scroll a bit here. Click on Add to Cart. Click on the Continue Shopping here. And once you've done that, you can go and just click on the Cart button as you see at the top right of your screen. And just click on Continue to Payment. Now, from here, what you need to do is you just need to provide the payment details. So if you want to use your PayPal, MasterCard, Visa, whatever here, depending on what you want, what you have available right now, you can go and click on continue and provide those details. Now, once you've done that, it should give you, or at the very end of the screen, once you paid for it, you should see the install content or install game option on your screen. Go and click on it and just choose the location where you want to install this. But just in case that doesn't actually appear, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and click on library here, look for the game, and you want to go and just basically right click on it and click on install. Now, once you've done that, you can go and choose the location, click on install, wait for a while here. Usually at the very bottom, you should see the progress. You can also click on it to see the progress of that game. And once you have, or once it's actually completed, you can go and just click on it and click on the play button that you should be seeing on your screen here. And that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.